Welcome to Optmel, your trusted partner for exceptional manufacturing and engineering services. At Optmel, we take pride in delivering custom solutions at incredibly affordable rates without compromising on quality or speed of delivery. Our engineering, design, and manufacturing capabilities have earned the trust of multinational companies and startups alike, making us a preferred choice for optical, electrical, and machined parts. Since 2009, Optmel has been leading the way as a systems integrator and custom parts manufacturer. We specialize in providing highly cost-effective parts and fast design services in optical and mechanical engineering. We supply components for a range of industries, including medical device manufacturing, industrial cameras, and food processing equipment. What sets us apart is our experienced engineering team, driven by passion and expertise. They are the backbone of our success. Armed with the latest CAD tools, we craft innovative solutions that exceed our customers' expectations. To ensure smooth operations and timely delivery, we have a world-class supply chain service team dedicated to making sure our solutions reach you on time, every time. Whether you are an established corporation looking to improve your bottom line or a dynamic startup in need of engineering solutions, Optmel is here to make your vision a reality. Choose Optmel, where quality, affordability, and innovation converge to build a better future.